The UK has the most religiously diverse workforce in Europe. This means that religion and belief is an issue that affects everyone in the workplace.
People's religious and belief systems are incredibly important to them. You don't leave those behind when you come into the workplace.
The reason people are tense about religion is, post 9/11, post 7/7, and organisations can actually have a role to play in that. We can sort of look at that scenario and say, well, that doesn't have anything to do with me, but actually it involves everybody in the country because we're all living side by side.
I think in the current climate as well, people are more aware of their religious identity, and if they feel that they are being discriminated on the grounds of that identity, then they feel that there should be proper and good legislation to protect them from exactly that.
You'll have to get used to Mohammed's funny little ways. Like, if you bring in any food, make sure you don't put it in his part of the fridge. He gets really annoyed.
Apparently everyone else's food is unclean.
He's very religious, our Mohammed.
Just don't get in the lift with him when he's got his rucksack on.
The law protects employees against discrimination, harassment and victimisation on grounds of religion or belief. People with non-religious beliefs are also afforded protection under the law.
There's a classic example given in the ACAS Code of Practice where someone who is devout refers to people who are not religious as heathens, and the people who are not religious find that offensive, and the ACAS Code of Practice gives that an example of unlawful harassment by the person who's devout.
The legislation acts as a safety net for employees, but successful organisations look beyond simply complying with the law.
Most employers want to go beyond compliance with the law to really good practice. And for people who have faith systems and belief systems, being able to observe those in a proper way is really important to them. So it's only natural that a good employer would try and accommodate that.
People in the same workplace may have widely different views about religion and belief. We're all entitled to disagree with people who have different beliefs to our own, but we also need to work alongside each other in a professional manner and to treat each other with respect. To be able to treat each other with respect, it's useful to gain a basic awareness of different religions and beliefs.